Today, we are at the India Expo Center to cover two important shows. We are covering the India Med Expo and the India Diagnostic Expo, which are happening from the 6th to 8th of May. The show profile includes participants from hospital, diagnostic, medical instruments, surgical and consumables. So let us go inside and speak to the participants at the show, what they are showcasing at this event. And finally, if you want to watch the latest videos from trade shows and exhibitions happening all across India, then you have to subscribe to our channel right now.
स्क्रीन पे कंट्रोल करते हैं, स्क्रीन को ऑपरेट करने के लिए।
These all are autoclaves, like sterilization machines. They are all instrument tray and sterilizers. It's oxygen flow meter, needle syringe destroyer, formalin chamber and oxygen hood. And this side dressing drums, X-ray view box, rehabilitation products like commode chair, commode stool, walkers, complete hospital furniture beds, ICU bed multifunctional, semi-follow bed, full follow bed. And these all are high pressure autoclave machines. They mainly used for sterilization the instruments.
Hi everyone, we are from OSAM EdPlus. So we have the entire range of home care and healthcare products. For example, हमारे पास nebulizers हैं, compressor nebulizers. Then we have fetal dropplers, air beds. Then we have the glucometers available. We have the breast pumps available with us. IR thermometers, BP machines we have in both the models, non-talking as well as backlight and talking model के साथ. Then we have pulse oximeters available. Then we also have the lancets in stock. Apart from that, we do have the digital thermometers. This is entire range which is available. We are located at New Delhi. So आप हमें contact कर सकते हैं if you have any orders related to government orders or trade orders. It's a wonderful event. Footfall बहुत अच्छी है. Even we are able to crack few leads here as well. So हमें तो बहुत अच्छा response मिल रहा है.
Out of 10, अगर आपने नंबर देने हो, कितने नंबर देंगे?
9 for sure. आज day 2 है. But day 1 से better है day 2 and we are getting good numbers, we are getting good contacts. Networking काफ़ी हमारी strong हो रही है यहाँ के and brand visibility we are also able to make it out. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Shilpa Dhawan. I'm from Hemorrhoids Life Science Private Limited. We are a 12 years old company. We are dealing with critical care products and a home health care. We have a range of nebulizers. Thermometers, BP monitors, which are the home health products. Critical products are the ventilators, oxygen concentrator, high flow, patient monitors, ECG machines, everything we have. And we have been dealing with all the government tenders. And I would like to thank India Medico Expo. They have organized a very well event. जिन्होंने पिछले last year से ज़्यादा better किया है इस बारी. Good footfall and we are looking forward for a better India Expo next year. Thank you.
अमित दिस साइड फ्रॉम सर्वोत्तम अप्लायंसेस. मेजरली हमारे जो डील कर रहे हैं एम्बुलेंस फैब्रिकेशन के अंदर डील करते हैं. ये ALS एम्बुलेंस है. इसके अंदर ऑल टाइप ऑफ मेडिकल इक्विपमेंट्स के लिए हम जनरल यूज़ करते हैं. कि इसका फीचर्स जो है हमारा स्ट्रेचर्स, आइए सर आपको कहता हूँ. ये हमारा जो है फैब्रिकेशन, हम कंप्लीट फैब्रिकेशन करके देते हैं एडवांस लाइफ सपोर्ट एम्बुलेंस की, जिसके अंदर ये स्ट्रेचर, स्पेंसर का हमने स्ट्रेचर यूज़ किया हुआ है. इसके साथ मॉनिटर, वेंटिलेटर, एंड स्टोरेज इक्विपमेंट, डॉक्टर सीट, अटेंडेंस सीट, लाइटिंग एरिया और जो हमारे फैब्रिकेशंस के अंदर है। इसके साथ साथ एक नया प्रोडक्ट हमने अभी लॉन्च किया है जो कि बाइक एम्बुलेंस है। बाइक एम्बुलेंस मैं आपको शो करता हूँ। बाइक एम्बुलेंस अभी हमने न्यू डेवलप करी है, जो अपने दिल्ली के कंस्ट्रक्टेड एरिया हैं, कंजस्टेड एरिया है, विलेज हैं और स्पेशलाइज्ड जहाँ पर हमारी गाड़ी नहीं जा सकती है, कॉर्पोरेट सेक्टर्स के लिए हमने ये डेवलप करी है। इसके अंदर एक पेशेंट को हम सीट करके लेके जा सकते हैं। एक पेशेंट इजीली हमारा यहाँ बैठ सकता है और उसको अगर हमारे को लेके जाना है इमरजेंसी के लिए, और साथ अगर कोविड-19 की सिचुएशन होती है तो ऑक्सीजन की ज़रूरत पड़ती है अगर पेशेंट को, तो उसको ऑक्सीजन भी हम दे सकते हैं। बट दिखाओ, इस टाइप से जो हमारा एरोडायनामिक शेप्स बनाई हुई है। इसको अगर हमारे को रन करना है, एयर के लिए हमने 2 स्पेस छोड़े हुए हैं। अभी आगे हम इसमें डेवलपमेंट कर रहे हैं, फैन और अदर फीचर्स ऐड ऑन करेंगे हम इसमें आगे। ये इवेंट हमने मेजरली कुछ न्यू प्रोडक्ट्स हमने यहाँ पर लॉन्च करने के लिए किया था। इवेंट का रिस्पांस काफ़ी अच्छा है। जो भी आप दर्शक देख रहे हैं वो आके विजिट करिए और जो हमारे न्यू प्रोडक्ट्स हैं उनको आप देखिए, ताकि ऑल ओवर हम न्यू फैसिलिटी और डेवलप कर सकें।
आउट ऑफ 10 आप कितने मार्क्स देना चाहिए?
आउट ऑफ 10 ही हम देंगे आपको। यस, थैंक यू सर।
We are from Indo Surgicals. We are presenting here our radiation protection apparels like lead aprons. We have many type of aprons, many type of aprons like lead aprons, lead-free aprons. Also the hospital linen, all reusable linens. In linens we have lab coats, scrub suits, everything. Apart from this, we have all full range of hospital surgical instruments, as well as holowears, autoclaves, and many more items.
And what is your feedback about this event? What kind of relevance do you feel this event has?
As per my feedback for this event, I am very much satisfied. And this venue, I mean, particularly this venue is, I can say #1 in the NCR as well as in India also. They are providing very good service, approach is very high, and enjoying the event.
And out of 10, how much rating?
5 out of 5. Very much satisfied.
I am Nirali Sharma from Monarch Meditech from Surat, Gujarat. We are manufacturing and importing all the medical equipments products which are used in ICU, NICU and OTs. Some product we are manufacturing and some of we are importing. Like our manufacturing product which is baby warmer, phototherapy, cautery machine, ECG rolls and some kind of ECG machines accessories. Today is much better than yesterday, and there are so many people who are getting us and who are connected with our store.
Happy this event?
Yes, we are happy. Thank you.
Myself Gaurav Sharma. I'm the CEO of the Universal Surgical, and today I've established stall in the Indian Med Expo at Noida. This one is my derma chair for a cosmetic surgery. This one is a OT LED light. This one is my deluxe table for a hydraulic. This one is my semi-electric table, Siam compatible. And this one is my gynae OT table. My factory at Bhavana Industrial Area in Delhi 39.
Okay. And how is the response at this event?
Response is perfect from yesterday.
So
I'm very happy. I'm very happy.
and out of 10, how many numbers?
10 out of 10.
Thumbs up for this show?
I am Vivek Vikram, director of the organizer company, SD Promo Media Private Limited. We are the organizer of different vertical shows, and healthcare is one of the most important vertical. We are doing healthcare shows, medical, surgical and diagnostic shows in Nepal, Bangladesh, Kenya, Hyderabad, and now first time we have launched this exhibition, India Med Expo in Greater Noida. Noida and Greater Noida is most developing cities in India, and there are a lot of healthcare facilities, new hospitals are coming up. Already established brands, hospitals like Fortis, Apollo, JP, there are n number of brands are already here. And we are happy to see the response both from the exhibitor and the trade visitors. Like people are happy, there are around 135 exhibitors in first expo here, including medical instruments, surgical instruments, healthcare instruments and diagnostic instruments. And mostly foreign companies are representing their partners in India, and we are very keen to developing this show in further years.